Hey guys, I'm here to film my weigh-in for this week as well as my July reflection and August goals. I decided to put them in the same video because, I don't know, they're on the same day, so I just want to make one video today. So that way everyone will watch one video. I don't know, I'm just going to do it this way. And please excuse this. I haven't got ready yet for today. It's like 10 o'clock, and I wanted to film this video before I forgot, and so that's why I look like this. Anyway, that's not the point. Let's get into my weigh-in in case you don't want to hear about my reflection and goals. So last week I didn't weigh in. If you remember, I didn't weigh in because of my week. I was pretty sure that my weigh-in would reflect my week from going over my sodium every single day, and you know, I didn't want water weight to be a factor in my weigh-in, which was probably, I don't know, some people thought it was a good idea, some people didn't, but to me it was a good idea for my well-being, I guess. So I didn't weigh in. The week that I did weigh in, I weighed 194.8. This week I weighed in at 190 exactly, so I lost 4.8 pounds over the past 2 weeks, so that's about 2.4 pounds each week if I weighed in, you know, last Friday, depending on what the weigh-in would have been, but that's about average for me, losing about 2 pounds each week with my calorie deficit and exercising every day. Even if I didn't exercise every day, my calorie deficit kind of makes it where that happens, at least right now. So that means that I've lost a total of 40 pounds, and that's really amazing. I'm super excited for that. Seeing 4.8 pounds lost is amazing, but even if I saw 2.4 last week and 2.4 this week, I would be happy with that too. So I'm super ecstatic for that weight loss, and now that I'm back on track, I feel really awesome, and you know, I feel good about everything. So yeah, let's get on to my reflection of July and my goals for August. The goals that I had in July were to lose 5 pounds, to reach 30 pounds down, to be in Wonderland. My goal weight was 195, and my weights were to be 2.5 and up, which, if you remember, in like the middle of July, I reached pretty much all of those goals, so I had to make new goals, which were to lose 8 pounds, 40 pounds down, goal weight of 190, and to keep my weights, you know, the same. I did reach all of those goals except for 8 pounds down. I didn't exactly hit 8 pounds down. It was about 7.2 pounds total, which is still pretty amazing for this month. So yeah, I reached all of those goals, and I'm pretty happy with how July went. And for August, I made I guess good goals. I had to rethink about my goals because, you know, since my weigh-in happened, I had to, you know, reevaluate. So my goals for August is to lose 5 pounds. I think 5 pounds is a good number for me right now. Anyway, I know that later on when I get, you know, when I weigh less, it'll be difficult to lose 5 pounds every month, but for right now, I'm just going to stick to 5 pounds until that doesn't happen anymore, and then I'll change it. Another goal is to be 45 pounds down, so I think that's a good goal to have. I don't know. I just make smaller goals because it keeps me motivated during the month, you know, and I like seeing how far I've come, so yeah. I would like to be in the 180s sometime this month, which will probably happen if I do well this week. It'll probably happen next week, but my another goal weight is to be at 185, which I think I could do if I lose 5 pounds this month. I could be somewhere near there, and I would like to try new weight stuff at the gym. I've been doing dumbbells and stuff, and I stick to the same machines all the time. There's some machines that I haven't tried, and I want to, so hopefully this month I can try to make myself do that. There's some stuff that I know I can't do, like I can't bench press yet. That's just not feasible for me. And I can do squats, and I do squats at home and with dumbbells, but I can't do like the squats with the bar yet. maybe one day I would be able to do that. But yeah, I'd just like to try some new weight stuff because it gets kind of boring doing the same thing over and over again. But also in this month, it's my birthday month. My birthday is August 14th, so that's like, I don't know, when is that? It's like in a week or two. I don't know. I don't know when my birthday is, but I'll be 22, and I'm probably just going to go out to eat with family and friends for my birthday. I mean, for my 21st birthday, I went to a bookstore and the mall, and I went to dinner, and that was my 21st birthday. Who does that for their 21st birthday? Anyway, so I don't drink that much for my birthdays. I'll have a drink probably, but not getting wasted or anything. So I'm probably just gonna do that for my birthday. And for my birthday, I am asking my dad to get me a heart rate monitor because I really want one. And I think that now, since it's my birthday, he can't refuse because it's my birthday present. So hopefully I can get that for my birthday. And I also want to attend Zumba at the gym. If you are my friend on MyFitnessPal, you know that I made that a goal last month. However, they just added Zumba to our gym, so they weren't set in stone with their schedule. So now they are. I just haven't had a time to actually go when they're having it. So hopefully I can try to get to some kind of class at the gym because I really want to do a class at the gym. They're free because I pay for my gym membership, so why not go to one? So that is all my goals for this month and my weigh-in. I hope you guys had an awesome week. I can't wait to see your videos if you do the goals, and if you do weigh-ins, I can't wait to see them, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!